video is going to be a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm gonna talk a little bit about where I've been, what I've been doing, basically what the last 2 months of my life has consisted of. I hope you guys enjoy. And before we get into the video, I just want to say, make sure you subscribe down below for more videos from me, and give this video a like if you liked it. I guess we can just go ahead and get started. It's been a hot minute since I've been on YouTube, obviously, and it's just because, honestly, senioritis began to kick my butt in the last 2 months. Like, I just became really unmotivated with it. I think it was because, you know, it was winding down the end of senior year. Like, I'm just ready to be done, like, get to the next phase. So I was really just, like, distracted. I was kind of unhappy with what I was doing, the type of content I was posting. So I just decided to take a break. I was like, if I take a break and I just kind of revamp my channel and redirect my focus, maybe I'll start to gain that passion. I feel like I'm in a good space, you know, like the last 2 months have been great just with a break and just relaxing and kind of taking time for myself. I guess I can just give you a little breakdown of the last 2 months. So I was in school, you know, I graduated high school, which is great. Like, I love that I'm finally done with high school. I didn't have a miserable high school experience. My high school experience was pretty great overall. The only thing for me was just staying motivated, because I'm a person, I don't like having the same routine. I like to be able to switch up my days and do stuff at my own pace and do it how I please. And with school, you can't do that. It's like you wake up every day. Well, this is my schedule. I woke up every day at 6 a.m., got ready for school. I was in school from 8 to 3, well, 8 to 1:30 really. I was in school from 8 to 1:30, came home, took a nap, did some homework or went to work if I had to, came home, did homework, went to sleep. And that was getting really old for me. Like, it just wasn't. And because I was so tired all the time, because I was doing the same routine, like, all the time, so all I did on the weekends was sleep. I rarely ever went out with my friends. I would either sleep or I'd just be in the house. Just feeling like really stuck, like kind of dead inside. Kind of like, what am I doing? Like, how is this living? I wasn't unhappy, but I was just kind of stagnant. There wasn't really much growth to my life. I'll just take a break from everything and just restart when school is over. So I basically just tried to enjoy my last 2 months that I had of school. I went to prom. I will put some pictures on the screen, hopefully, if I have any. Prom was really fun, sort of, kind of. My school, honestly, was kind of lame as far as prom goes. So it was more the stuff that I did after that was more fun than the actual dinner, if I'm just being honest. And no, I'm not saying that I went out and did bad things, but I'm just saying the things that I did was much more fun than actual prom. And then this past weekend was graduation. May 19th, I graduated from high school, which is a blessing. I'm so grateful that I was able to make it to my high school graduation. Like, everybody in my class made it through healthy. There wasn't really like any super bad things that happened this year. And it's much harder, I feel like, with my school because it was very small. Our graduating class was 36 people. So it wasn't like full. It was easier to get into drama. I mean, not me, but I'm just saying it was easier for people to get into drama because there's 36 people in your class. You're with the same people every day. you go to lunch with these people, you have classes with these people. Some of them you see on the weekends, like you got school events with these people. It's not very like much of a variety of who you hang out with. So at times there can be a lot of drama, but I'm not really with the drama, so I try to stay out of it as much as possible. And you really walk out of high school with a handful of friends. Like I have maybe like 5 or 6 friends that I will probably stay friends with. But it happens, like you don't walk out of high school with all of your friends. That's bound to not happen. So don't feel bad if that happens to you, because it happens to everybody. Yeah, so graduation was this weekend, and I was the class president, so I gave the graduation speech, which was definitely a great experience for me. Like, I'm not really, like, I am a person where I like being in the background. I never thought I would have been the senior class president, to be honest. Like, that was never something that I had strived for or wanted to do. It just kind of happened. And I was just like, hey, let me run. Like, let me see what happens. And I won. So that was fun. Writing the speech was a bit stressful because it's hard, like somebody up your senior year and basically speaking for your whole class. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just you saying these words, you're speaking for your whole class. So that was kind of hard. But all of my classmates say they loved my speech, so that was great. And then the 20th, which was Sunday, I had my graduation party, which was great. I got me a little lump sum of money. Not gonna tell you how much money it was, but just know it was a lump sum of money that I got. I don't know, I'm just in a really great space right now. Like, I couldn't really want much more. Like, I just feel like now that I'm out of high school, things are going to start to fall in place about what I'm supposed to be doing with the rest of my life, how I'm supposed to be living. I just take it day by day and I really just hope for the best. Like, my goal as I go into adulthood is just take everything with a grain of salt. Things are not going to be in your control. Just kind of, my thing is just cherish every moment that I have on this earth, because I don't know when my life is going to be taken from me. So that's what I'm just trying to do. Just cherish every moment that I have. Like, go for anything that I want in life. Like, I don't know, I'm just in a really good place. Like, it's just cool. It's nice when you're in a good place, you know what I mean? Like, it's great. I'm excited to start the next phase, but like, I'm not like jumping up and down for joy because I'm going to college. Right now, I'm not really in the excited phase yet. I don't know, it's like, okay, I'm going to college. Like, what do you do? You know what I mean? Like, I haven't felt like this in a while, but genuinely happy. So I guess I can tell you a little bit about my goal for this channel. I'm gonna be honest. I'm done doing makeup videos. The reason I'm done doing makeup videos is because, to be honest, like, I love makeup and that is my passion, but that's not something that I want to post on my channel anymore, just because they aren't fun to post. Because I feel like every time I'd ever edit or film or do a makeup tutorial, I felt like I had to compete with other people, you know what I mean? Like, I gotta be like this beauty vlogger, or I gotta be like this beauty vlogger. I gotta do this, and I gotta do this, and I have to do this, and oh my video isn't good enough because it doesn't look like theirs, and that's just not fun to me. That's not how I want my channel to be, trying to be competing with somebody else. I like being able to show a little bit more of my personality, and I feel like a lot of people are getting to this place because the beauty world or the beauty side of YouTube is just very, very, very competitive and very, very saturated. And I think more people are starting to notice this now, and I just feel like my makeup skills aren't good enough for YouTube standards. I just decided that I just don't want to post makeup tutorials. I'll still do like chit-chat, get ready with me, and I really want to start doing like those watch me transform videos, or like videos of me doing my makeup, but it's not gonna be a tutorial. I'm just not into the tutorial side of things. I will maybe, if I really just feel like it, post a kind of tutorial once in a while. But as far as this being a makeup channel, that's not gonna happen anymore. I just don't enjoy it. Like, I want to post more stuff of me showing my personality. I'm just gonna post more relatable videos. I still want to do girl talks. I want to do a mukbang. I think those are so funny. If you've never seen a mukbang, go watch one. It's like the eating videos, watching people eat. That's so fun for me. I'm still gonna do chit-chat, get ready with me. I have a whole list of things that I want to do. I want to vlog more. I really want to bring back my summer vlogs. That was kind of a me and Michelle thing, and I miss those a lot. And I really want to be more consistent with the vlogs. That's what I needed. I needed this combo right here. So I was like, my eyeshadow, something's off. That's what I needed, sis. That's what I needed. Everything was like a competition on YouTube, and I don't want to be in it. So I'm just gonna be in my own lane, my own field, doing my own thing.
No, I don't want you for the night, cause I want this life to share. Your temper is my love, my gravity. Connected to this soul beat, be part of me. Lead me astray, got you in my system.
So yeah, I just need something else on my lips. This is treacherous. I love these lip gloss. This is always what I need. Oh, what I said today makes sense. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. By the way, I forgot to say, did you guys like my new intro? I worked so hard on that. So that's pretty much, oh, I just spit. That's pretty much it for this chit-chat, get ready with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you'll never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!